Alright, in this problem, they want to make a dog park and they want this whole park to be covered in grass. So the grass is sold by the square footage, so we have to figure out what's the square foot of this area. So think of this as a rectangle and then a circle. These two parts would make a whole circle. So the area is going to be the area of the rectangle plus the area of the circle. And so the area of the rectangle is going to be 55 times 60, because to here is 30, so this whole length is going to be 60, plus the area of the circle, which is pi r squared, which would be 30 squared. So now it's just about doing some math with the calculator. 55 times 60 is 3,300, plus 30 squared is 900 pi. So that's times pi, and then plus 3,300. So the area in this shape is equal to 6,127.4 feet squared. So I guess if we're ordering square footage, we would order 6,128 square feet of grass. The park also needs a perimeter, and the fence is $8 per foot. How much will a fence for the entire park cost? So now the next part is we have to look at perimeter. So the perimeter is going to be 55 plus 55 plus the circumference of the circle, which is going to be 2 pi times 30. So perimeter is 55 times 2. So this ends up being 110 plus 60 pi, and then plus 60 times pi. Oopsie, should be times. So then when you add this all together, you get 298.5. So you're not going to get 0.5, so the perimeter is going to, or the fencing is going to be 8. This is what do we got? This is feet, and then the fencing is going to be let me try. Fencing is going to be 298.5 times $8 and times 8, and so this ends up being $2,387.96. Alright, and so the local design board has rejected the plan because it was too small. Dog breeds need a lot of room to run. The president of the board said, therefore you need to increase the size of the park with a linear scale factor of 2. What is the area of the new design and what is the perimeter? Alright, so area is increased by a factor of 2. So the area is going to change by a factor of 2 squared. So we would say 2 squared times our area, and our area was 6,127.4. So that's going to be 4 times 6,127 Let me try that again. So 4 times 6,127.4. So this is equal to 24,509.6 square feet. And the perimeter is going to increase by a factor of 2, so that's 298.5. So 298.5 times 2 is 597 feet.